now getting coffee.
Why the other colors look Waka?
Happy Friday. I just finished up the work week and I'm about to go check out a new sushi restaurant. It just opened up maybe 2 or 3 days ago and the reviews look really good so far. In all the images, the fish looks really fresh and I'm excited because it's also a conveyor belt restaurant. So it's actually like hailing outside right now and it is so rainy, but we made it. Your head looks so big.
We're taking a little break right now because
this guy is tired, and this is my snack of choice for today. Strawberry Pocky Sticks that he got me. And what is your snack of choice for today?
spicy dried calamari.
It's not calamari. Isn't it squid?
Yeah, calamari.
오징어 is squid.
Yeah, calamari is like.
I don't think this is calamari. I think this is squid.
Whatever, man.
Rollers.
Okay.
We are now getting coffee.
Word. Word.
The hair's in my face.
You know, I like to rest my umbrella on my head.
Oh, I do that too sometimes.
Yeah.
What is that? He has too much pride, guys. Too much pride.
It's a Trojan umbrella.
Getting our coffee now.
You're right, the other colors look a lot better.
How many did you get?
I got 4, one for my mom, my aunt, my sister, and my cousin.
And I got 3. We just filmed a bunch of UGC for werrrk. He did his nails too. We just spent all day filming videos for Clubnetic and now we're finally done. There's a video that required him, which is why he's here with me. We're at Ulta right now, by the way. And here are my nails. We both got our nails done. Nice.
So let's see, I'm trying to FaceTime Megan. I'll just go like this and
Nice.
see how nice and, you know,
Good job.
hold on to it.
Ding, 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 ding. Look at his pinky. We are twinning. In 3 days, we're going to Japan and we're very, very excited. So we will see you in Japan. Bye.
Peace out.